siguro ang sila-selos mo, Jay.
Kaya ba yung tamat ka na selos-sen. Ay, maganda pala dito.
This is nice. Kita ang Jay dalikan eh.
Ay, oo.
This is nice. Kita ni ada pay planchada nga
Luma.
one. Mga antique na ito. Ano? Sorry. Taas ng mga. Ayan no.
Maganda dito sa hapon.
Uh-huh.
Yung ano.
Ano yun?
Ibero kanak man. Kung na ibero kanak. Gaya may natin.
We're in Baluarte. Yeah, you feed that deer. Sige. Get her, give mommy. Look at mommy, she's feeding it. She likes it. But he likes it. Oh. Good. Oh. It doesn't really hurt you. Look at them. Oh. You like the deer? Ang cute.
What the door is
There are others ostrich.
Ostrich kanina.
Pwede na ano yun, no? Wala nang balahibo.
Kanina may nakakalat na ostrich doon na napansin.
Oo.
Pwede nang ano.
Dinosaur.
Pwede nang i-rose.
Wala na siyang ano.
Wala nang
Tanggalin mo ba ibuli?
picture mamaya ko dito. Bali dito mamaya ko yung drop off.
Yun eh. Look at that.
Ate Aya Eagle.
There.
Bali natin po lang sa mga dinosaur namin. Kumalaw po sila noon po.
Oh. Kaparis nung nandun kanina, yung Indonesian safari.
I won't hold you.
Oh. Safari hotel. Yes, the ostrich. Nasa Russia. Look at that.
Oliver Ostrich.
Dito sa may kulungan po nito, ma'am sir, unlimited po magpahabol po yan.
Weh!
Bali may free massage pa po dyan.
Talaga. Dorkali, oh, dami-dami.
I can't reach it.
Pagod na sila. They're on the shaded part.
Kaya magpapit ko. Doon.
They're feeding the deer.
What is very windy? My ponytail goes like this. So messy now.
No, it's okay.
Messy. Look at your hair, Mama.
Look at my hair.